guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Alan.
And I'm Leslie.
And today, guys, we're going to be doing another Dress Like a Celebrity challenge. This time around, we're going to be choosing Travis Scott. Because in our last video, Travis Scott was one of the best dressing celebrity that we chose. He was second. So this time we're gonna be choosing two outfits and we're gonna be like trying to simulate those outfits.
And guys, stick around to the end of the video because we're gonna prove to you guys that you guys can dress like Travis Scott without breaking the bank.
Now, before we get into the video, if you guys are new to the channel, please guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel below. And please turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video.
Now, for the shoes we're gonna be using in these outfits, we're gonna be using the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows. And we're gonna be using the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s, because we noticed that the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s is a perfect alternative to the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s.
And guys, like, you guys don't have to use these two shoes. I know they're pretty pricey. You guys could like find a Air Jordan 1 low that is similar to this one, or you guys could just find like a cheaper alternative, like a regular Air Jordan 1s.
Because we noticed that he wears a lot of Air Jordan 1s, so that would go pretty well with any outfit that he wears.
So basically the goal is to like style the outfit with the Air Jordan 1 highs and the Air Jordan 1 lows, so it doesn't really matter if it's this one specifically. For the first outfit, he was wearing this outfit in this Grammy performance, and this outfit is pretty dope. He was wearing the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows, and he was wearing the specific pair of pants. Like, that pants was pretty hard to find, and like they're really expensive, right?
Yeah.
So we went to like a local mall. We were looking for those pants like throughout our malls. We couldn't find those pants, so we went online and we found those pants. And guys, this pants is sick. It just finally came in the mail, and I'm gonna unbox it to show you guys. Get this up. And guys, this is the pants, and this pants is exactly like the pants he was wearing in the Grammy performance. So this pants is called the snap button starter pants, and we picked it up from Amazon, and it came like pretty fast. The goal is because like the ones he was wearing had the snap button in it, so this one is exactly like it. And this one like only cost us like $34, so it's pretty cheap to get this pants, and it's gonna give us the same look. But Adidas also make these kind of pants, but Adidas, like, it has the stripe, like instead of the white line that he has, it has a big stripe there, and it's gonna look a little bit different. But if you guys want to pick up the Adidas one, you can pick that one up too. But that one is gonna cost you like $80, so that one is pretty expensive.
These are both for the vintage t-shirt that we're gonna be using. You can either use a washed out inside out vintage t-shirt like this one, or you can use a graphic vintage t-shirt that's washed out like this one right here. We already have a lot of vintage t-shirts, so we had a lot to select from. But you guys could pick up some graphic t-shirts or vintage t-shirts on at the thrift store. But we picked up most of our vintage t-shirts on Grill, so you guys should find like a bunch of vintage t-shirt on Grill that looks similar to the picture, and you guys can pull off the same outfit. But we already have like a lot of vintage t-shirts, so we're gonna use some of our vintage t-shirts.
The goal is to get like a vintage t-shirt that's like washed, like a light wash, and that will work pretty well. For the hat he was wearing in this outfit, we noticed he was wearing a fitted Major League Baseball hat, so we went to Lids and we picked up a Red Sox fitted hat, and this hat works pretty well. So if you guys are looking for the hat, just go to Lids and you guys will find it. And he was also wearing like a brown bandana, but this one worked pretty well, and this one only cost like $2. Moving on to the next outfit, we're gonna be styling it with the Jordan 1s Rookies of the Year. This outfit is a little bit more formal, and you can use it to go out at night on some summer nights.
For the outfit he's wearing like a varsity leather jacket, but we couldn't pick up a varsity leather jacket because it's pretty pricey. But we picked up this satin material jacket because it's gonna give you the same look and it's a lot cheaper. So we decided to go with this one, and
we picked it up from Grill. And it cost us like how much did it cost us?
It cost us like $80.
Damn, that's pretty expensive. That was the entire budget. So for the pants, we just went with like a regular black denim. And you guys don't have to spend any money. I know you guys
have black denim in your closet. You guys don't have to spend too much money on black denim.
So you guys can just use any pair of black denim you have in your closet, as long as they're tapered, because you don't want no baggy jeans. And the shirt, we picked up this vintage t-shirt from Grill, and it cost us only like $12, $12.99. And this one will go pretty well with the outfit. And guys, this is pretty much the outfit. Guys, the goal of this video was to show you guys that you guys could dress like a celebrity without breaking the bank. And you guys can even use some items that you already have in your closet to dress like a celebrity.
Guys, for us, we already have like a similar style to Travis Scott, so it was pretty easy to select some of the outfits because we have some of the pieces. And yeah,
for other pieces we had to go online to find them, and it wasn't really that hard. You just had to like do a little bit of research. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like the video, please go ahead and leave a like below, and please subscribe to the channel to help the channel grow, because we drop videos like this every week. And please turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video.
And guys, please leave a comment. Tell us if these outfits that we made are similar to what Travis Scott is wearing. And until then, guys,
we'll see you guys in our next video.